Wanna explain this?
Yeah, we're gonna brush out the block with the vroom vroom. Because if you take a look from this side, the block is like, it's all messed up and all rusty. Apparently, if you remember in the last video when I said that when I took it to the power wash it all went away, well that was from this side. And this side is still horrible, so...
Put an oil filter on so no mess gets in there. Tape off the block. And then delete all the crap off, the old paint, whatever. Use the protection. Use the protection or you'll end up like this guy.
Wait, why is it double? Am I doing this right? Probably not.
Yeah, MATLAB professional. The thick boys. Look at this. Just wanna get that off.
This is the goal, I guess. Yeah. Now I just have to do everything.
Is she ready?
Yes, pretty much.
So we cleaned it off, scrubbed every dirt and the rust off, brake cleaned the whole thing, taped everything off, put tape in all the holes so the threads don't get screwed up. Now we're ready for some high temp spray paint. Black, of course.
Imagine this in pink.
Ooh!
Wow.
I mean, if everything else would be pink, that'd be kind of cool.
Everything else needs to be black.
Yes.
Cancer.
First coat, light coat, and then we're gonna go again. Maybe 3 times to make it real good. We got plenty of spray. Now the valve covers come out and now we're getting serious. The block's already turning out dope. Went for another coat, probably gonna go for another one just to make sure it's nice, fat and thick on it. But it's pretty good. Great success. We've painted a couple of things.
Very good.
Like the valve cover, nice and silver. Engine block, nice and black. Looks awesome. Much nicer, just needs a nice cleaning inside. And over here we also have some fresh new parts like silicone radiator hoses, various brackets and brand new cooling system. So everything's fresh, and also there's an intake somewhere, so it is time to paint more things like power steering lines, motor mounts, steering racks,
More mounts.
more mounts,
And more mounts.
Yeah.
This is what happens with a Powerflex top insert.
Yeah.
It's fucking horrible.
Got a little cooked. What's this?
Parts for the engine.
Nice.
This is what 2K looks like. Training parts!
Explain.
Yeah, you remember this boy?
Yeah, we chopped one of these in half.
Yes, okay, so we ordered a new used one from England alongside with the new power steering pump bracket alongside with the top alternator bracket that we will probably not use anymore. And there we have some more stuff, more mounts.
Some poo came out. Welcome to our man flat. We have all the parts painted and shiny. We're gonna add some 2K clear coat to make everything more protected and more shiny. Excuse me, what the fuck?
The army.
We're waiting for this shit to dry and we have nothing better to do than cook meth and watch the military. Don't jump. Everything's up so it can dry overnight and it looks beautiful and shiny. We have to fix one of the mounts. It's some poo-poo happened for some reason, but whatever. We're done for today. Cause, yeah, rain. Why is there rain? Explain.
I have no idea. Wow, you caught me unprepared.
Why?
No idea. So I am going to a drift event that the guy that sponsors me, I mean sells me performance parts, is sponsoring in a way. So not much to say till this point because I don't know what to expect or anything else. So stay tuned for some footage. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Ah! Criminals! 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 Can't focus! Ah! Having some issues finding the place, but I'm assuming this is gonna be the place and this is gonna be the track right here. Very good, right in front of us, which is a very good thing. Should make up for a very good footage without me putting in much effort, so it's very good. Drift or die. Won't focus, it did, too late. Bye bye. So right now we're just setting up the camp, like this, that, JD performance, this and that. We are right in front of the track, which is very good. We'll see, plenty of action gonna be here today, gonna happen today. We'll see how this goes. So we have the first cars on track, probably just practice. There's a nice BMW though, there we go. Come back later. Well, these two. Ooh, messed up already. Not good though. That's nice though as well. Very good. Will he drift this? Probably. Oh yeah, that's good. Woo! A bit of a curve there to go on. 1, 2, 3. It's Metallica and drifting. Look at the double turbos. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Double turbos out of the hood. It's good, very good. That's the guy we are sponsoring, I guess, with that BMW. up a bit there, buddy. It's the sound of the police. Nice. We have this pretty much all set up. It's looking nice. What do you think? Yes, that's what he thinks. That smile. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Our camp is set up nicely. We have a bit of a super sprint. We have the flags. We have this guy, which is fucking depressed. But that aside, we have pretty much everything that me and the sponsors offer, so you can buy good stuff. It started to rain, so everyone went there to get beer. I mean, majority of people. So we are just here with the balloons, because one guy just came to us and he was like, "Oh, it's raining, can I leave these balloons here?" So we're now JD Performance with the performance balloons. 10 brake horsepower per balloon. Yeah. Bye bye balloon. It's gone. It started to rain again, so we are back into the cut. Because the weather is just like, you know, it's shitty everywhere. People drifting, but you can't really see it. Oh, that was a car. Yeah, in there it was a car, so... We're just sitting here waiting for hot dogs, and we'll see how that goes. Yes. It was fun. The rain screwed up everything. But that aside, I guess it was fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe, follow, whatever, and see you next video.